Welcome to Luxury Focus. Today, we're conducting an in-depth analysis of a significant shift in the Rolex market that's capturing the attention of industry experts and collectors alike. The Bloomberg Sub-Dial Watch Index, a key indicator tracking the 50 most traded pre-owned luxury timepieces. Recent data indicates a notable deviation from the historical trend of Rolex watches commanding premium prices, reports a substantial decline of 17.8% over the past 12 months, with an 11% decrease over a 24-month period. This downturn follows unprecedented highs in early 2024, driven by increased discretionary spending during the pandemic. Our analysis focuses on 5 specific Rolex models currently available below their manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP. This phenomenon warrants careful examination, as it potentially signals a broader market correction or a fundamental shift in luxury watch valuation. Let's begin with the Rolex Day 40, reference 228239. This white gold timepiece, featuring a case diameter of 40 millimeters, represents a departure from the traditional yellow gold aesthetic. Current market data shows pre-owned models with blue dials starting at approximately $45,000, while newer versions begin around $47,000. These figures are notably below the MSRP of $52,000, indicating a softening in the secondary market for this particular reference. This price trend is particularly intriguing given the Day-Date's historical position as a flagship model for Rolex. The white gold variant, often considered more understated than its yellow gold counterpart, has traditionally appealed to a specific segment of luxury watch enthusiasts who prefer a less ostentatious display of wealth. The current pricing suggests a possible shift in this demographic's purchasing behavior, or a broader recalibration of the luxury watch market's valuation of precious metal timepieces. Furthermore, the Day 40's movement, the caliber 3255, is a testament to Rolex's technical prowess, featuring the brand's proprietary chronergy escapement and a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. The fact that such a technically advanced timepiece in a precious metal case is available below MSRP warrants closer examination of the factors driving current market dynamics. The Rolex Explorer 36, reference 124273, presents another interesting case study. Introduced in 2021, this two-tone model combines steel and gold, a first for the Explorer line. Despite an MSRP of $14,500, our research indicates pre-owned examples are available starting at $9,500, with new models just exceeding $10,000. This significant price disparity suggests a potential oversupply or a shift in consumer preferences away from two-tone models. The Explorer's price trend is particularly noteworthy given its recent introduction and the novelty of its two-tone configuration in the Explorer line. Typically, newer models, especially those representing a significant departure from traditional offerings, command a premium in the secondary market. The current pricing scenario contradicts this norm, raising questions about market reception to Rolex's strategy of diversifying its classic models. It's worth considering whether this price trend is specific to the Explorer line or indicative of a broader market sentiment towards two-tone watches. Historically, two-tone models have experienced fluctuating popularity, often influenced by broader fashion trends and economic conditions. The current pricing may reflect a temporary dip in demand for this aesthetic, or signal a more profound shift in consumer preferences within the luxury watch market. Additionally, the Explorer's relatively modest size of 36 millimeters, while true to its historical roots, may be influencing its market performance in an era where larger watch sizes have gained popularity. This raises interesting questions about the interplay between traditional design elements and contemporary market preferences in determining a luxury timepiece's value. The GMT Master II, reference 126715 colloquially known as the root beer, is our third point of analysis. This rose gold timepiece, typically a highly sought-after model, is now available in the pre-owned market, starting from $15,000 to $17,000. While specific MSRP data for this model isn't publicly available, these figures represent a substantial decrease from historical secondary market prices. This pricing trend for the root beer GMT Master II is particularly noteworthy given its status as a relatively recent addition to the Rolex lineup, introduced in 2018. The model's unique aesthetic, combining a rose gold case with a black and brown ceramic bezel, has historically appealed to collectors seeking a distinctive yet luxurious timepiece. The current market prices, however, suggest a potential saturation in the luxury sports watch segment, or a shift in collector preferences away from precious metal sports models. It's important to consider the broader context of the GMT Master line within Rolex's portfolio. Traditionally, GMT models, especially those in stainless steel, have commanded significant premiums in the secondary market due to their versatility and practical complications. The fact that this precious metal variant is now available below its likely retail price raises questions about the perceived value of functionality versus material in the current market. Fourth in our analysis is the Rolex Yachtmaster 42, reference 226659. This white gold model, despite its retail price of approximately $38,000, can now be acquired pre-owned starting around $28,000, with new examples priced near $30,000. This price point suggests a potential overestimation of demand for larger case sizes in precious metals. The Yachtmaster 42's current market position is particularly intriguing when considering its relatively recent introduction to the Rolex catalog. Launched in 2019, this model represented Rolex's response to the trend of larger case sizes in luxury sports watches. The significant price depreciation in the secondary market could indicate a miscalculation in the demand for such large precious metal sports watches, or a broader shift in consumer preferences towards more conservative sizes. It's worth noting that the Yachtmaster line has always occupied a unique position within Rolex's portfolio, blending elements of a luxury lifestyle watch with the robustness of a professional series. The current pricing dynamics may reflect a re-evaluation of this positioning by the market, particularly in the context of precious metal variants. Furthermore, the Yachtmaster 42 features the Oysterflex bracelet, Rolex's innovative elastomer strap with a metal core. While this bracelet has been well received for its comfort and durability, its pairing with a white gold case at this price point may be influencing the model's market performance. This raises interesting questions about the perceived value of different bracelet materials in the luxury watch market, especially when combined with precious metal cases. Lastly, we examine the Rolex Submariner date in white gold. With an MSRP of $50,000, this iconic model is now available pre-owned starting at approximately $30,000, with new versions in the gray market beginning around $35,000. This substantial price differential indicates a significant correction in the market for precious metal sports watches. Several factors may be contributing to this market shift. Firstly, the post-pandemic economic landscape has led to a recalibration of luxury spending habits. Secondly, increased production from Rolex may have saturated the market to some degree. Thirdly, speculative buying during the recent boom may have created an artificial inflation of prices, which is now correcting. From an investment perspective, this market correction presents both opportunities and risks. For collectors, it offers the chance to acquire previously hard-to-obtain models at more accessible price points. However, for those who purchased at peak prices, this downturn may represent a significant depreciation in asset value. Looking forward, several questions arise. 1. Is this a temporary market correction or indicative of a longer-term trend in luxury watch valuation? 2. How will Rolex and other luxury watch brands adjust their production and distribution strategies in response to these market conditions? 3. What impact will this have on the gray market and authorized dealers? As we continue to monitor these developments, it's clear that the luxury watch market is entering a period of significant change. At Luxury Focus, we'll be closely tracking these trends and providing ongoing analysis to our viewers. We invite industry experts and collectors to share their insights on these market dynamics. Your perspectives contribute valuable data points to our ongoing analysis. Thank you for engaging with Luxury Focus. We look forward to continuing our analytical coverage of the luxury watch market in future broadcasts.